Nikema Williams is an American politician and political executive serving as a member of the Georgia State Senate for District 39. She is also the chair of the Democratic Party of Georgia. In July 2020, Williams became the Democratic nominee for Georgia's 5th congressional district, selected to replace John Lewis on the November ballot after his death. Williams is from Smith Station, Alabama. Her father was a neighborhood leader, and her great-aunt integrated the University of Alabama. Williams graduated from Talladega College, where she became a member of Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated, and graduated with a Bachelor of Arts degree in biology, and then moved to Atlanta, Georgia, in 2002. After moving to Atlanta, Williams joined the Young Democrats of Georgia. She then served as vice president for public policy at Planned Parenthood Southeast. In 2011, she was elected as the first vice chair of the Democratic Party of Georgia. She served as the interim chair of the party in 2013, following Mike Burlon's resignation. Williams supported Barack Obama's presidential campaigns and served as a member of the Obama Victory Fund in 2012. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.